If you are still using this Arduino Uno in 2026, then you might be missing and wasting your real potential. What if I also tell you that one board can replace your all the other different types of modules which you are using in Arduino Uno. With all types of things it has inbuilt, and it has also much more advantages than this. As compared to price also, this is much more cheaper as comparison. You can also find much more variants which are much more cheaper as compared to Arduino Nano also. So this is all about this video, and I am going to discuss much more detail about these two boards in this video. First of all, let me tell you that what are the key advantages these modules have. The main thing is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, obviously. Second is it has intercommunication protocols which are known to be ESP now. Means in short, let me tell you that by using ESP now coding method, you can make communication between ESP named modules which are ESP32, ESP32 S3 module, ESP camera module, and there are much more variants which comes under this protocol. And yeah, this makes communication between your multiple types of projects wirelessly, and it has also cloud interface. Means you can also make an HTTP server where you can get your all the data of your projects wirelessly in your computer or phone also. ESP32 is much more cheaper, much more compact as compared to this Arduino board, and the main advantage is it has a ESP32 chip which has dual core, so it can perform your task much more faster, much more accurate as compared to this. Another key advantage of using this type of board is this board can be worked as a BLE keyboard. Means this can be act as a mouse, this can be act as a wired mouse, wireless mouse, and it can also be acted as an wireless keyboard, wired keyboard, which can be easily connected to your computer, to your phone, to your smart TV or any other types of systems. So this is a creepy thing, and this is the dark side of this type of board. Means it's not dark for your types of people which are just hobbyists and who are making some projects by using these types of board or Arduino board. This is safer, but these types of heavy processing board can become in hands of some creepy mind or wrong-minded people who can use these projects as bad. This is the all advantages which move and which make you to use and buy a ESP32 board. So I am just asking you that when you are going to buy ESP32 board and leave your Arduino Uno in a corner and start using ESP32 boards, the world is also moving towards the industrial path and much more things by using IoT sensors and much more things that related to that which require a wireless communication. So you can use these types of board for prototype. Yeah, I am telling you that you can use these types of board for prototyping, and for your product you have to make your PCB circuit yourself also. So yeah, that can be a different thing. So yeah, that's all about this video, and if you like to see much more things about microcontroller, Arduino, ESP32, especially for ESP32 because I am a ESP32 lover, so I can make much more future videos are coming on ESP32 camera AI thinker module, ESP32 S3 module. So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to the Work It YouTube channel.